I was without joy at the glance of my shame. Community speaks, and friends will surely blame. Oh, what regrets, and how fast with its fame. I just can't stand the world with tongues of flame. Throw back to when I didn't belong. The isolation and mindset not to fall among. What character I chose to stay unplugged. But the truth is, my life was but a bug. When I wake up each morning, I look at my dreams, talent, vision, purpose, and its direction. But the cute could not let me be in motion. I was broken, condemned with distractions. I lost the enthusiasm and passion to fight for motivation and legacy. The strength to preach peace was taken away. I do the things I hate the most, even though I find no joy in it. I find the demon inside me, striving to call it a quit. My conscience is alive, reminding me that I'm on the wrong path. Many times I cry, while in search of help, finding someone to tell my pain. I looked up to books, isolation, movies, and online forums with the hope to overcome these distractions before it becomes an addiction. But the human strength failed me. Things I do that doesn't give me joy, but rather stealing my peace of mind. Dreams fading away and passion to make a difference reduced drastically, almost damaging my mental health. I couldn't redeem myself. I am guilty, the conscience echoes loud. Lost in thoughts about what the world may say. My friends will ignore me. The trust is broken. I'm a failure. I can no longer be a right example. I was lost in my fall. These were tough times of personal retreat and self-rediscovering, trying to amend the wrongs and be free of this addiction. I seek God for cleansing and in soberness, a quiet reflection. I know I'm guilty and you're all disappointed. The hope and trust of which I was appointed. I gave in to a beauty that was painted, neglected the scriptures of which I was molded. I am sorry, I cannot stay down anymore. Grace has found me, I've been forgiven and lessons have been learned. In my imperfection, I will fight my weakness and indiscipline. I have a call, a purpose to fulfill. I'm gathering the pieces to create a new me. Now I know falling down is real. Getting up is not so easy, but staying down will make me a failure. I don't want to be a failure, so I'm standing up from this fall. Am I alone?